Welcome back everyone. So today I'll be installing a Mangoal 4K factory style OEM front and rear dash cam on a 2016 M140i. So it's on the F20 frame. So basically what we've got is we're using a dash cam called Mangoal. It's a 4K camera, front and rear. It fits up into the in front of the rear view mirror, so it's exactly the same as factory, exactly the same as OEM, and it clips in all the electrics clip in up there, so it is really plug and play, and it should be really nice to install. And like I said, it is 4K. They do just front version, they also do a front and rear version. Today we're going to do the front and rear. So what we'll do is I'll show you how easy it is to install, and then I'll do a little quick review of it at the end. So here it is. So in the box, you get the box itself. I'll open this up. It's a bit difficult one-handed, but we'll give it a go. So open up the box. I say I'm right-handed and I'll try to do it one-handed. So in there you get your manuals, put them down there. Again, little manual and some cable ties. You do get, which is quite good, a little panel tool with it, so hopefully that should be all you need to do the install. And then inside here you get when I open it, you get the camera itself. So as you can see, that's going to sit up there like that. And also, like I said, because this is the front and rear camera, so in there also you've got your power adapter cable, a little micro SD card, and here is your rear dash cam and power cable. So it's all in there, and like I said, it is 4K. Yeah, so basically first things first, what we need to do is remove the cover. So find a little gap with the panel tool, if this is going to work. I'll tell you what, I'll even use the one that was supplied in the box. So should just make a little gap all the way down, and then the panel just slides off. There we go. Just move that down, make that easier. So that's the panel off, and then what you need to do up the top, unsurprised, with the harness adapter, yeah, that, which unsurprisingly looks exactly the same as the purple one at the top. So what we need to do, just pull out the purple one, connect the harness together, and then plug the other end back in. Get that to work. That's in there. So that's that bit in there. So now you've got your power cable. Next thing you need to do is with the new camera, you've got your wiring here, you've got your GPS, which is optional, which you can do, and then you've got your power plug, which is going to plug into there, and then this, obviously with this one, you've obviously got your rear camera as well. So what we're going to do first is just going to move all of this out of the way in here. The rear camera will need to plug in. just leave it loose for now. Right, so with the rear camera cable, that's going to just sit up into the top of this headlining, but for now all we need to do is move that out of the way. Connect up the power cable. There is only one way round this goes. Right, now all you need to do is just feed the cable back in. I might do this side first. So. Yeah, cool. So with these connectors, you've got this square bit here. That's just going to sit on that bit there. So when you put it on, that's just going to sit on that square bit. And all we need to do is tuck all the cable up out the way for now. Oh, this might be a bit difficult on this side, so what I want to do is I'm going to just put this on, because all you're going to do is marry up the two sides and then it just clips back together along the three bits. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll come back to you and show you what we did. So just off air, what we've done is we've using that panel tool pushed that reverse cable. You can see the sticker actually. I'll push that in. Push the reverse camera, the rear camera shall we say, cable all the way in. Just pull this down and then just tuck it in behind the headliner. All we've done is followed that all the way down to the rear of the car. In the rear of the car, we just pull this out of the way, drops the headliner down. These grommets just pull out up the top and bottom, and all we've done then is feed the cable up through, come along here, and then just stuck the camera up there. With this, the panel that just sits there, it's just held on with some clips all the way along. So just get your panel tool, I'm using this one, but you can use the orange one, and just gently just pop it in behind, and that'll pop that out. So what we'll do, we'll pop that back in, and then that should be ready to start. Let's see, camera now all installed, all lovely in place. Basically all you have to do then is just follow the instructions that you get in the pack here. Download the Skycam app for Android and iPhone through your normal sort of app store. Follow the instructions there to connect to the Wi-Fi, and then that will give you access to the camera. The camera records automatically on loop on the SD card that's inside the camera, and with that app you can basically access the camera and download the files. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on the Skycam app, open it up, and then we're going to go down to the bit where it says add camera. That loads up, hit next, hit connect Wi-Fi, once that's loaded, you go into your Wi-Fi settings, you head down to where it says Wi-Fi E970 SPF. Each camera's a different name, and then you're going to hit the password, which is 12345678, and hit connect. and then that's going to head back. You flip back, and then it'll log into the camera. There we go. So it's loaded. Oh, lovely. Then at the bottom of the screen, what you have there is you've got album and settings. Obviously, if you click on the actual camera itself, it goes into live view. You can start and stop the recording from that bit. And if you go into files, it brings up all the recordings from your camera and what you can do. I'm going to download a couple of the files for you to be able to view at the end. So I'll have a day recording and a night recording. So once that's all downloaded, what we'll do, you just click on one of them, and you can hit download, and it downloads the file to your device. It takes a bit of time, so I'll skip this bit up. So back into the main screen, hit on camera settings. You can go through and change all the different settings. Obviously collision sensors, which auto records if it detects a collision. The loop recording duration, it was initially set to 1 minute, but I've changed it to 3 minutes, otherwise you have a load of 1 minute videos. Obviously you can change the passwords and all that, and speaker volume and mic volume in there as well. So yeah, it's pretty simple and pretty easy to navigate around. So that's really the app itself. There's not much more on there to go through. You can do snapshots as well, but that's it for setting up the camera. So that's the camera done. So far I'm pretty impressed with the camera. It's, like I say, it's a 4K camera. It's factory fit. It's only a couple of £100. I'll put the links to the camera, the website, and all that in the description. There is pretty much most cameras for most cars, and they do universal ones as well. So I'll put all those links into the descriptions, and what I'll also do is I'll attach a day recording and a night recording, so that you can see the quality of the camera. And the only thing with this car, it does have heavily tinted rear windows, so I'm not quite sure how well that will do at night or in the day, but we will see a bit later on. Again, thanks again for watching. Any questions, queries, comments, put them in the comments section, I'll get back to you. If not, my email address is always in the details section. Just drop me an email and we'll go from there. But thank you for watching.